In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a video in Sora using a custom prompt. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type the word Sora. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official Sora page related to text-to-video creation. It should clearly reference AI video generation. Click that result to open the Sora website. Once the site loads, you'll typically see a text field or prompt box where you can describe the scene you want to create. Sora responds best to clear, specific language, so we'll use a detailed prompt. Specific camera directions, actions, and ambient details help the system understand your vision and produce a better result. When you're ready, click into the prompt area and enter the following exactly as written, keeping the punctuation and phrasing. Wide shot of an overweight athlete attempting pole vault at Olympic Stadium. Athlete runs down runway carrying pole, plants it, attempts to vault over bar, but fails due to physics. Realistic jiggle physics as athlete runs and lands on mat. Stadium crowd reacts with supportive applause. Olympic commentary and background. A couple of quick tips as you type: lead with the camera framing, because it sets the overall composition. Describe the main action in a logical order, and include environmental cues like crowd reactions or commentary to add realism. In this case, the supportive applause and background commentary provide context so the scene feels like a live sporting event rather than an isolated action. The phrase "fails due to physics" tells Sora to keep the motion believable and grounded, and "realistic jiggle physics" instructs the system to simulate natural body movement during the run and landing. After you've entered the prompt, locate the Submit button. Click Submit. Sora will begin processing your request. Generation time can vary, so give it a moment. Keeping the tab open and avoiding heavy multitasking can help ensure a smooth render. You may see a progress indicator. Once it completes, your video will be ready to preview directly on the page. Play the result to review how the system interpreted each part of the description, from the wide shot framing to the timing of the vault attempt to the crowd's supportive reaction and the subtle audio cues of commentary. If you like what you see, you're all set. If you want to explore variations later, remember that even small wording changes can shift pacing, camera behavior, or crowd energy, and that's it. You've just created a Sora video from a detailed text prompt, start to finish.